All right, guys. So me and missed him. Me and Levito are back up here on Hartwell, planning to chase some stripers around. Not a lot of gulls out here today. I don't know. You got one? Good deal.
Ooh.
All right.
This might be a good one.
All right, just take it easy with it. Levi's got something on. We don't know if it's a stripe or a bass yet. We graphed over some right here. This will be the first fish of the day, if we get him in. Got our new Ozark Trail rubberized net. I'm really liking it over that old cloth nylon top net. Oh yes, strong.
Very good one, too.
Yep. Chunky little striped bass. Oh yeah. Going. Good way to start the day.
Man, that joker felt good. He was pulling drag. All I heard was
Yeah. You can get a big one on there, you will know it. Yeah, there's some more right under the back of the boat back there. Well, we want to take a moment to thank the sponsor for today's video. It's Willie's Bull Peanut Stand, located at the intersection of Highway 82 and Dry Pond Road. Some of the best bull peanuts in the South. He's got regular, jumbos, and Cajun spicy. Stop by Willie's Bull Peanut Stand today and get you a bag of that southern goodness. He don't seem like a big one, but we got another one. This ain't big at all. Little bass. Yeah. Little bitty. Little bitty one. Good grief. What a crappie. I saw a school of fish back there and I thought they were stripes. That is a good one. Caught on a 3-inch Z-Man minnow swim bait with a 3/0 hook. Yeah. There we go. I don't know. I believe I just got one on a spinning rod, but my camera was all wonky. That's the best one today. Good job. Get him back in. We'll throw back out there. Well, that's gonna do it, fellas. We back home now. The wind got up to about 700 miles an hour. And you can't keep these 10 boats in place when the wind gets over about 14, 15 miles an hour. I can't keep mine on the fish, so we just fought it for a little while, gave up and come home. But that's gonna do it for today. See y'all on the next one.